माया सहन सकिन्न रूठो तिमी भइदिए कि दुखी दिन छ मन नै चुडिएला बाजाका तार तर मनका मेरो सालौं साल तिमी सुन्छौ भने बजिरहन्छ रे तिम्रो र मेरो भेट भो संजोगले भन्छौ कि नियति नै तिम्रै लागि लेख्नु रहेछ यो गीत मेरो दिन बर्बाद भो यादमा तिम्रो फेरि बिहानीको सुरुवात भो यादमा तिम्रो फेरि उडी उडी मन भाग्छ किन तिम्रैतिर हेर भन के गरौँ म मुस्कानले तिम्रो मेरो मन सारङ्गी झै आज बज्न थाल्यो भन के गरौँ म
Congratulations, Kamana, for completing your 1,000 hours for a cosmetology program and completing your Makeup 101 course. We present you your certificate of completion and your diploma in 10th School of Makeup and Cosmetology.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes.
कहिले आउँछौ माया तिम्रो घरको बारदलीमा कुर्दैछु हेर्न तिमीलाई हल्ला भो सारा यो सहर गल्ली गल्लीमा जिस्काउँछन् सारै नि मलाई उसको एक झलक मुस्कानै अलग उफ मार्यो नि मायाले चञ्चल तिनयन अन्दाजै फरक उफ मार्यो नि मायाले खेल्छन् सन जब केश बतासमा आउने त्यो बासनाले
Thank you so much for your dedication, your passion, for your hard hours of studying. I know it took you a minute, but congratulations.
Thank you,
I'm really happy that you were here as our student.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
This is my favorite teacher.
Of course. Thank you so much. Thank you. You were always a really great student. Thank you so much. I appreciate you very much.
I know sometimes I do some mistake.
Oh no, that's why we're here to learn.
Yes.
Okay? And our job is to teach. Make sure that every time a student graduates, we graduate with them.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes. Come on. Yes. I know it didn't start with me, but when I, come for an afternoon, always sweet, always nice, always every day smile. Smile every day. Even when baby back hurt, she was just like, okay, but still smile. Still smile. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You did it. Congratulations, sweetheart. You deserve everything. Yes, yes. Congratulations. Namaste.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, sweetheart.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello. She's my bestie. She's really good, my friend.
Everything.
Good for the journey.
Hello. I'm just starting sewing. एक दिन आएको ओरिएन्टेसन म एक्लै थिएँ धेरै रमाइलो लाग्यो फेरि मर्निङ क्लास भयो इभिनिङ भयो छुट्टाछुट्टी भयो मित्रले कुराकानी हुँदै गरौँ
हामी चाहिँ एउटा दिन आएको अनि इन्डिङ पनि लगभग सँगै नै भयो हाम्रो
ग्रेजुएसन हुँदैछ
यिनी चाहिँ मेरो छोरा नि
यस 2-4 दिन रमाइलो भयो थ्यांक यू कामना
Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Thank you. You did good job. Thank you. Congratulations, Kamana.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kamana. धेरै बधाई छ तिमीलाई भर्खर जस्तो लाग्छ यो स्कुलमा कामनालाई एडमिसन गर्न आएको कति छिटै कोर्स पुगेछ है
छोरा पनि यति
ठुलो भइसक्यो
म आउने बेला बाबु पेटमा थियो
3 महिना त थियो
यहाँबाट ग्रेजुएट भएको छौ अनि फर्दर तिम्रो जर्नी राम्रो होस् हाम्रो जर्नी राम्रो होस् अनि थ्यांक यू एन्ड कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन है
थ्यांक यू छोरालाई किस एकचोटि
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,